Hello and welcome to another dog video with something little bit different. So today we have Asus external slim DVD reading and writing drive. So this is because my computer don't actually have CD drive in it. So I decided, well, I can buy external one. I have never tried it and it could be interesting video right after this Dominator speakers. So actually this time I will see if I can actually unbox it with one hand, because I actually haven't unboxed it. So let's see what the hell we have it here. Let's squat and let's see what we have here. We have some paperwork, some get your free Asus web storage. That could be interesting if it's free. We have some more papers and we have some manual, I guess, in English and very different languages. Some connecting your Mac, how to connect your Mac PC. Okay, another quick installation guide in 36 languages. Amazing. So what do we have in here? We have something. We have a cable. I think it's supposed to be USB 2 or USB 3 cable. I think I can maybe focus it a little bit closer and I can actually show it. Amazing. Nice. So it's how it's packed. I see we have a CD with CD writer. It's DVD suit and stuff like that. Amazing. So what else do we have? Can I actually put it out? Pull it out, I guess. So okay, I guess it's packed fine. It's like this more higher quality foam. I now remember that this shit is called foam. That's good. So we have some more foam. It's like 2-piece foam or something. And we have actually CD drive, very light, with some soft packaging. Let's open it out. Open it up, I guess. It's correct wording here. And let's see if I can actually somehow pull it out with one hand. I'm learning something new every day. That's why I have this kind of soft background for it, so it doesn't drop and break, because that would be unfortunate. Anyway, we have some trash and it's glossy finish with some Asus here. Looks fine for me. I guess this is the front stuff. It's the USB, nothing more. Let's see how easy it's actually to use it. Is it actually plug and play, or how it's called? So plug and play, I guess. Let's put camera in very awkward position, maybe to the glossy finish of, yeah, sounds like that. So you can see some macro shot or something. I don't know. Let's open this shit up. It's so... why do we actually have two cables here? Interesting. So you can see we actually have two cables here, but it doesn't look like that one of them is like you know, when you connect yours and you can have something else. It's not USB in, it's USB out, I guess. So interesting. Maybe it's not really a USB 2, it's like actually two USBs. Damn, that's a genius idea. Anyway, let's put some focus here. Amazing. And let's see if we can actually connect this shit somehow. Very sorry that it's not Actually I can connect it from the front, so that's amazing. And actually my battery will die very soon, so if it cuts out, well, fuck this shit, fuck the world. So let's see if I can actually connect it. It connected, so the second one, it connected, and I don't think I can do it with one hand, so let's put here. It's actually on the back side, so we can connect USB. It's connected, so I can put it on the table. So that's how it looks like. So if we click this button, I guess it goes out. It looks like this. So that looks fine as far as I can tell. I hope it works. I don't have any CD actually to test it, but they have thought of everything. I can use this CD. It's a fucking genius idea. And my battery is like on 1% from here, so let's take it out without actually destroying everything in the universe. Oh, for fuck's sake, I hate this stuff. Okay, it's out, so let's see if it actually reads the CD. Okay, does it actually read? Take the CD. Okay, it takes it, so amazing. So it's here, and let's see if it's actually sounds quite loud. Wow. 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 Can you hear it? Freaking amazing. I like it. Like an old floppy drive, so we have Asus CD. Can you open it? Whatever. It's setting up, so yeah, it's quite loud, I guess. Yeah, cheap stuff. Cheap stuff. If it's in your hand, it's not that bad. If you put it on okay, it's not, I don't know. Let's see again. I don't know. I guess it's fine. I will write a comment below if it actually works, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and remember, Hail Satan!